Hello guys, today we're gonna review Flex Dual Action Polisher. So it has a 1000-watt motor. It has this rubber side, so it's safe if you accidentally bump it with your pen. And 6 speed. Let's see from the slowest. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Usually I use speed 6 for compound or polishing and speed 3 for wax. Unlike rotary polisher that can burn the paint, a dual action polisher is safe for you to use, even if you're new to car detailing, and it's not hard to control. And it also has a forced rotation feature, which means it won't slowing down even if you put a pressure on it. A dual action polisher orbits the pad around central spindle and rotates the pad on its own axis, so they produce very little heat compared to a rotary polisher. If you have a detailing shop, you might want to get this polisher. It gets the jobs done quickly and safe for your customers' car paint. But if you only detailing your own car, do you want to spend over $400 on a tool that you only use once or only twice a year? I hope this video is helpful. Don't forget to check links in the description. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.